The Redmi 6A, Xiaomi's entry-level smartphone, this time with a MediaTek chip inside. In today's video, let's unbox it and take a quick look. Hey guys, Ash here from C4E Tech. Card to our latest giveaways, links in the description below. And while you're down there, hit that bell icon, become part of our notification squad. Let us now get started. So here's the box the Redmi 6A comes in, removing the plastic, opening it up. The first thing we see is the Redmi 6A itself. Let us get it out, remove the protective plastic and let us set it aside for a minute. Let's see what else is in the box. We've got the regular leaflets, a micro USB cable, some ejector pin and a travel adapter, 5 volts, 1 amp again. Let's now get back to the Redmi 6A and take a closer look. To the front on top, we have the earpiece sensors and a 5 megapixel front-facing camera, just like on the Redmi 6. That's followed by a 18:9 panel. This time, there's a change in aspect ratio. The panel is larger too compared to the Redmi 5A. It's a 5.45-inch IPS LCD panel. The resolution is HD+. It looks good. Given that this is a black phone, the black line running around the display that bothered me with the Redmi 6, now that's not visible here, so I like it. As far as the button placements go, it is identical to what we've seen with the Redmi 6. Power and volume keys to the right, micro USB port primary mic to the bottom, 2 trays to the left, so we do get dedicated micro SD support here too. Up top there's a headphone jack along with the secondary noise cancelling microphone. The back again is plastic. The placements are similar to speaker at the bottom, still no fingerprint scanner on an A series phone, and there is only a single camera up top. I do however like how that and the flash are positioned. Now despite the larger panel here, the Redmi 6A is just a little taller and marginally wider while being slimmer than its predecessor, so it's still very optimized for single-handed usage. Underneath the hood, we have a MediaTek Helio A22 chip running the show. This is a quad-core chip with cores clocked all the way up to 2 GHz. It's built on the 12nm process, so it happens to be a huge step up from the 28nm Snapdragon 425 on the Redmi 5A. There's 216 and 232 RAM storage options available, and Xiaomi has retained the same 3000 mAh battery from the Redmi 5A. It is worth mentioning that the 5A did get a 3GB RAM variant, and that's not present here, and that's a bummer. Now on the software side of things, I'm just gonna say the same things I said with the Redmi 6 because it's identical. Out of the box, the 6A also comes with MIUI 9.6 built on top of Android 8.1 Oreo. I'm not gonna get into the features since we've seen it way too many times. The important ones though, they are here. Face Unlock, it's present and works well. The intuitive gesture-based navigation system, that's also back. Given all the Xiaomi phones that are getting MIUI 10, the 6A should get it soon too. As far as optics go, on paper they haven't really changed since the 5A. It's still a 13 megapixel rear camera with an f2.2 lens along with a 5 megapixel front camera. By the way, this camera gets a bokeh mode and both cameras get support for Auto HDR. The pictures you're seeing here were shot with these cameras. How do you think they've turned out? Let me know in the comments below. Now unlike with the Redmi 6, which felt like a downgrade from the Redmi 5, the 6A definitely feels like a step up. A much newer and more powerful chip inside, a newer and larger 18:9 panel, all at the same price as its predecessor, 6,000 rupees. This means I'm actually more interested in seeing how the Redmi 6A fares than the 6. Which one do you want me to review, the 6A, the 6, or both? If yes, which one first? Let me know in the comments below. So I guess that's it for this quick unboxing and hands-on with the Redmi 6A. Thumbs up, thumbs down based on whatever you felt about this video. Also subscribe and turn on notifications by clicking that bell icon so that you don't miss out on any of our daily content. Thanks a lot for watching. Till next time, my name's Ash. You've been watching C4E Tech and I'm signing off for now. You guys have a great day. Bye bye.